was meant to be.
Is that so funny, Roxy?
Yeah.
What is it?
Him swimming.
What is him?
Ducky.
A ducky.
Okay, thing is, I don't think he's supposed to be wet like that.
What, like what?
Supposedly, when the mother sits on him, she rubs her oils off on the babies.
Oh, so they don't get all wet.
Yeah.
Make them waterproof. What's wrong with his
thought-
foot?
I thought by now.
Put it in there.
Just where it's at.
Oh, okay.
And did you see him while he's like halfway on this? He's like trying to swim with his foot. Like one foot
Nice.
in the water.
One foot was off and he's like paddling in the water all the way along the edge.
Nice.
Yeah. Him wants to swim.
Maybe.
He's taking a break.
Is that funny? Is that funny, Roxy? Oh, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Grant, you gonna get the other one?
And baby. And mommy and daddy. Baby Roxy.
Oh, gross.
What do you do?
Put some poop particles in the water. In fact, his head seems to be pretty good. Don't let him out.
Well,
You wanna be-
Hi, Lydia.
We're going there the entire time, Lydia.
look at this, Leia. Baby, big mommy.
These guys are growing so fast. Hey, don't.
Not so
squeal.
loud, honey. You hurt my ears and the ducky's ears.
Look at her neck, all the veins in her neck. Hey, don't squeal.
Just laugh, baby. Don't squeal like that.